2021 Buick Encore GX comes with a 1.2 liter 3-cylinder engine, automatic transmission in the black color. On the side of a nice armrest, power up to the new black and gray color, soft and leather upholstery, power driver, lumbar support. Top inside, got an air vent on the left, auto headlights, digitated closer dimmy controls, your fog lights, got our cruise control functions, forward collision alert, Bluetooth controls, and buttons to control what we're seeing on our digital gauge. So you get digital speedometer, first air, trip information, oil life, tire pressures, air filter, fuel economy, follow distance, driver assistance, which we'll get into more in a second when we go to the infotainment. And just over 88,000 kilometers in this unit as well. Come to audio, sources have AM, FM, Sirius XM, as well as Bluetooth. If you want to hit your phone, you can do so via this screen. You have your Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Here's our safety features. Your forward collision system, front pedestrian detection, lane change alert, park assist, rear cross traffic alert, assist system settings, time of day, language, phones, and your apps here, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all that good stuff. Volume rocker, got dual zone, automatic climate control functions, heated seats for the driver and passenger, front and rear defrost. Got your auto start stop, all-wheel drive lock, traction control, backup camera, 2 cup holders, electronic park brake, big center console, or small center console I should say, interior lighting options, OnStar services, and a rear view mirror. Let's go take a look outside. Good front have our black and chrome finish grille, Buick valve in the middle, alloy rim, 18-inch alloy rim, tape mounted door handles on the mirrors, door handles, details there, fuel sensor to the rear heated windows, roof rails, Encore GX all-wheel drive valve, full cover sensors, full cover trunk, 50/40 split, cargo cover with the power trunk, for the clothes on the back. Let's take a look back. Back to here, have a nice armrest, power windows, all-weather mats, similar glazing on the windows, same accessories you have in the front. It's leather and cloth combination as well. 2 cup holders and an armrest. That's the 2021 Buick Encore GX. If you guys have any questions,